Welcome back everyone. Let us begin with a new subtopic of the chapter 3-digit number, that is standard form. Today we are going to learn how to write a number from the expanded form given to us. For example, this is an expansion of a number 200 plus 50 plus 2. 200 plus 50 plus 2. Let us begin writing it in the standard form. It is 252. We can cross our answer by putting the place values starting from right to left. So this is ones, tens and 100. So it is 200 plus 50 plus 2. So 252 is the standard form of the expanded form of the number of 252. Let us take another example. 300 plus 00 plus 7. Here if you notice, in the place of 100 we have 3, that is 300, but in the place of tens we have 0 over here, and in the place of ones we have 7. So let us write it in the standard form as it reads out: 300. In the place of tens, as we know it is 0, so here also we will put 0 plus 7. So in the place of ones we will put 7. So this is the standard form of this expanded form, that is 307. Let us take a different type of example. Here I have a number, basically number names, 236. Here you can see I have not given you the expanded form. Instead, I have given you the number name. So let us simplify it. The number name reads out as 2 hundreds. So let us write it: 2 hundreds and 36. Can you all tell me which number is at the tens place? Yes, very good. It is 3 because it is reading out 36. So plus 3 tens. Which number it is at ones? 6. Very good. 6 ones. So how are we going to write it in the standard form? 236. So 236. 236. So we will write it as 236. So 236 is the standard form of the number name 236. So we can write it in this way also. Let us take one more example. I have a number name written over here, 107. Let us simplify it. It is 107. So 100 plus. Can you tell me which number is there at tens place? No number? Sure? Yes. So what are we going to do is, we'll put a 0. 0 tens plus how many ones? 7 ones. So let us deduce our standard form. 107. That is 107. So this is the standard form of the number name 107. This is all about standard form. We have learned how to write standard form, that is a 3-digit number from the expansion or the number names given to us. Thank you very much.